Purchasing a vehicle represents one of the largest financial commitments most families will make, with the average buyer spending nearly $50,000 on a new ride. Unfortunately, slick commercials and dealers' sweet talk can hide serious problems lurking beneath shiny paint jobs. We've analyzed the latest Consumer Reports findings to expose the 8 vehicles you should absolutely avoid in 2025. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you catch all our upcoming vehicle breakdowns. Number 8. 2025 Jeep Compass. Picture yourself browsing the dealership when a fresh Jeep Compass catches your eye. Aggressive styling, adventure-ready appearance, and that famous grille everyone recognizes. Unfortunately, beneath that tough exterior lies a history of constant shop visits and mechanical failures. What makes the Compass such a consistent disappointment in reliability studies? Why hasn't Jeep addressed these fundamental problems after all these years? This 2025 version continues using the same platform introduced back in 2017, meaning you're looking at 8-year-old architecture with nothing more than cosmetic touch-ups. Consumer Reports slapped it with a dismal 33 out of 100 reliability rating, signaling trouble ahead. The problems stack up quickly. Drivers complain about engines burning through oil at alarming rates, while others experience turbocharger hesitation and sudden power loss, particularly during summer heat. The transmission delivers harsh shifts, clutches fail prematurely, and the suspension shows wear far too soon on anything but smooth pavement. One owner didn't mince words. "I was absolutely furious when the engine consumed all its oil in practically no time." Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. Starting just above $37,000, the 2025 Blazer carries over from its 2019 introduction, offering either a turbocharged 4-cylinder or a gutsy V6. On the surface, it appears to be a solid mid-size option, until the reliability numbers tell a different story. Multiple owners describe engines that suddenly shut down, typically traced to fuel delivery problems, ignition failures, or malfunctioning sensors. Sometimes it's computer-related, making the issue both unpredictable and potentially hazardous. The transmission creates its own set of headaches. Drivers report difficult gear changes, sluggish responses, and in worst-case scenarios, complete transmission breakdown within the first couple years of ownership. Additional concerns include turbocharger defects and interior technology that constantly malfunctions. A General Motors technician was refreshingly honest. "The biggest headache I've encountered is several faulty turbos, though warranty covers them. Great until that warranty clock runs out." Consumer Reports scored the 2025 Blazer a meager 32 out of 100 reliability rating, confirming its position among the year's least trustworthy midsize crossovers. Number 6. 2025 GMC Yukon. The 2025 GMC Yukon commands attention with massive proportions, impressive capability, and an equally massive price. Starting around $60,000 and climbing to $90,000 for premium configurations, customers rightfully expect bulletproof reliability. Instead, they're discovering some expensive disappointments. Frequent grievances include drivetrain malfunctions and electrical system breakdowns, frustrating buyers who paid premium dollars for what's marketed as a luxury vehicle. The most serious concerns involve the 6.2-liter V8 engine. Its cylinder deactivation technology has been connected to lifter and bearing destruction, sometimes catastrophic enough to require complete engine replacement. Transmission troubles also surface regularly, with reports of slipping and violent shifting. A recall addresses the performance intake package, where certain vehicles shipped without necessary emissions components. Another active recall covers specific 2021-2024 models for manufacturing defects affecting the connecting rod or crankshaft that can cause total engine destruction. That reputation shadows the 2025 model. Consumer Reports scored the 2025 Yukon at just 31 out of 100, placing this full-size SUV near the very bottom. Number 5. 2025 Dodge Hornet Plug-in Hybrid. The 2025 Dodge Hornet sports an American nameplate, but it's Italian underneath, basically a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale. Pricing begins in the mid-30,000s and approaches $50,000 for the plug-in variant. Dodge positioned it as their compact SUV comeback. Reality tells a different tale. CarEdge research shows Dodge dealerships drowning in unsold Hornets, with inventory sitting an average of 266 days. The few buyers who took them home quickly discovered why. The hybrid powertrain has proven proven troublesome with complaints about weak acceleration, persistent check engine warnings, and software malfunctions. Random alerts, frozen infotainment screens, and unreliable safety systems make the Hornet feel more like a tech nightmare than cutting-edge innovation. The interior disappoints with bargain basement materials and noises that highlight Dodge's corner cutting. Then came the massive recall affecting tens of thousands of Hornets for a brake defect that could cause pedal disengagement during use. Consumer Reports assigned the 2025 Hornet reliability score of only 30 out of 100, confirming it as one of the year's biggest compact crossover letdowns. Hey, if you're finding this information useful, go ahead and hit that like button before we continue.
Number 4, 2025 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler carries legendary status as an off-road champion with unbeatable capability. However, regarding reliability, the 2025 version demonstrates why even legends can disappoint. Drivers report numerous frustrations. Steering problems persists with complaints about highway wandering and vague feedback at speed. Suspension components show premature wear, unusual for a vehicle engineered for rough terrain, making the Wrangler feel less planted than its reputation promises. Technology brings more headaches. The infotainment system regularly glitches, screens freeze without warning, and it randomly reboots itself. Plug-in hybrid 4xe owners even report charging complications. One disappointed Wrangler owner on a forum summarized it perfectly. Love the Jeep image, hate the never-ending dealer visits. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Wrangler a reliability rating of just 27 out of 100. Number 3, 2025 Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport. Volkswagen's larger offerings, the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport, share the same problems as their smaller sibling. Starting with the engine situation, VW eliminated the V6, leaving only the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Despite acceptable specifications, owners complain about hesitation, delay, and jerky shifts from the 8-speed automatic, especially during low-speed maneuvering. Electrical and infotainment problems continue the pattern. Unresponsive screens, sluggish controls, and unexplained warning lights undermine the refinement expected at this price point. Build quality raises concerns too. Flimsy plastics, rattles, and premature deterioration don't match a vehicle starting near $40,000. Both the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport earned identical 24 out of 100 scores from Consumer Reports. Number 2, 2025 Mazda CX-70 PHEV and CX-90 PHEV. Mazda's flagship CX-70 and CX-90 PHEVs represented the brand's upmarket push, blending luxurious cabins with plug-in hybrid technology. Instead, they face-planted spectacularly. The most critical failures involved the hybrid powertrain. Owners described check engine lights, charging system failures, and abrupt power cuts that raise serious durability questions. Some drivers characterized the vehicles as completely undrivable until serviced, hardly the confidence-inspiring experience you want from a new purchase. Software adds more frustration. The infotainment and digital displays frequently glitch, lag, and crash entirely. Driver assistance technology behaves erratically, and recalls have already hit early production models. Consumer Reports delivered a devastating 15 out of 100 reliability score to the 2025 CX-70 PHEV and CX-90 PHEV, making them the second worst SUVs of 2025. Number 1, 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee and Jeep Grand Cherokee PHEV 4xe. Claiming the top spot on Consumer Reports' most unreliable SUV list sits the Jeep Grand Cherokee alongside its plug-in hybrid 4xe variant. Despite its prestigious heritage and luxury pricing, the 2025 model suffers from reliability problems that can't be ignored. The plug-in system has been catastrophically unreliable. Owners describe charging malfunctions, sudden warning lights, and complete powertrain failures requiring repeated dealership visits with no permanent solutions. Standard gasoline models fare no better. Electrical gremlins, unexpected stalling, and sensor failures appear frequently, accompanied by rough transmission heaving and gear changes. For a vehicle marketed as refined and capable, these defects are impossible to excuse. Consumer Reports issued its harshest judgment, a reliability score of merely 12 out of 100, the absolute worst rating for any SUV in 2025 according to owner surveys and available data. That concludes our rundown of the 8 least reliable vehicles for 2025. If this breakdown helped you dodge a potential money pit, hit that subscribe button and become part of our community of informed car buyers. We've got tons more rankings, reviews, and buying guides on the way.